Everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to achieve this look. This is a very radiant glowy look for this fall. If you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching, and if you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And you can always drop your comments down in the comment section below in case you want to reach me out. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so today I'll be starting with my brows, and I'm using this Total Temptation by Maybelline New York in the shade Deep Brown, which looks like this. I just want my brows to be bushy and thick, so I'm just filling in the gaps, and I won't be defining it too much. And then I'm just combing my brows using this pulley in the direction the hair flows, just to spread the color evenly and to get rid of these patches. And now I'll be using this brow gel, which is the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio in the shade Chocolate Brown, just at the end part of my brows so that it stays in place. You can see I have used a very little bit of it at the end part of my brows, and then I'm just spreading it using this pulley again so that there are no patches left and it looks smooth and the color spreads evenly all over. Okay, so my brows are done now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little bit of concealer. This is the Pro Conceal from LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige, and I have taken just a little bit of that concealer in this small flat brush just to clean the edges of my brows so that it looks neat and clean and well defined. And now the little bit of same concealer goes on my lid to even out the base, and I'm just spreading it out with this flat brush. And then I'm just using this powder, this translucent powder from NYX, to set the concealed area before it starts creasing. Now for my eyes today I'm using this Ultimate palette by NYX, and I'll be taking this color right here to spread across my crease area. To me, this palette is not that pigmented as I feel, but that's what I need here right now. Okay, so then next I'm going to use this gel liner from Inglot. This is in black, and to draw a sharp thin wing closer to the lash line with this tiny sharp brush. And now I'm just smudging it out using this flat brush. The next I'm going to take this dark brown right here on this tiny flat brush again, and this palette is from Morphe. This is the Nature's Glow 35O palette, and I'm going to smudge that brown right on the top of that black liner. The next I'm going to take this orange right here from the same palette, and again I'm going to smudge it out just above the brown. So now I'll be moving on to my face, and for priming my face today I'll be using two primers. One is this Radiant Primer by Primark, which will add that radiant glow to my face, and the other one is Base Magic by L'Oreal, and I'll use it on those areas where I have larger pores and where I sweat a lot. So first I'll use this. And now I'm applying this Base Magic on those areas where I have larger pores. This is a mousse kind of formula, and this mattifies the skin a bit. The next to color correct my face, I'm using a little bit of this Pro Conceal by LA Girl in the shade orange and green to cover up this dark marks all over there. Okay, so my face is ready for the base now, and for my foundation today I'll be using Studio Fix from MAC, and I'll be mixing this pigment from LA Girl. This is called Pro Color and this one is in yellow. Because this shade is NC20, which is quite lighter than my skin tone, and I made this mistake because I got this online and I couldn't understand what my shade will be. So yeah. Okay, so the next I'm using this contour palette from Wet n Wild, and I'll be using this angular brush from Wet n Wild 2 to curve out my cheekbones. And now to highlight the center part of my face, I'll be using this NYX HD Photogenic Concealer in the shade Nude Beige. And now once again I'm just setting the areas that crease a lot with the translucent powder from NYX. And now I'm just using this bronzer from Laura Geller in the shade Medium, which is this. And then a little bit of this powder from the same Wet n Wild palette goes just below my cheekbones to make it look uplifted. The next I'll be using this blush from Maybelline New York Fit Me range in the shade Rose, and we'll use it on the apple of my cheeks. Okay, so now it's time to complete my eyes, and for that I'll be taking this brown again from the same Morphe palette, and we'll smoke out the lower lash line gently. And now I'll be using this NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Vivid Delight to draw a sharp wing in the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm just using a kajal from NYX to tightline my eyes. And again I'm just gonna smudge out the outer corners. So the eyes are almost done, and now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply this voluminous black carbon black mascara from L'Oreal, which is this one. So now for highlighting I'll be using this Hyper Real Glow from MAC, and I'll be using this shade right here in the middle, which is called Get It Glowing, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it on the highest planes of my face. And now I'll be using this setting spray from PAC. And a little bit more highlighter on the wet skin for a better glow. And for my lips I'm using a Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick, which is not matte, and this is the shade, and the color is quite subtle. It is not at all this dark.